Are you trying to decide between Swissquote and Saxo Bank? You are not alone. Today, we'll compare these two popular online trading platforms. Both Swissquote and Saxo Bank offer a range of services for traders and investors. They both provide access to various financial markets, including stocks, forex, and commodities. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's start with Swissquote. This platform is known for its user-friendly interface. It's great for beginners. Swissquote offers a wide range of educational resources. Traders can access webinars, articles, and tutorials. They also have a strong focus on security. Your funds are protected with high-level encryption. Now, let's look at Saxo Bank. Saxo Bank is more geared towards experienced traders. It offers advanced trading tools and features. The platform is highly customizable, allowing users to tailor their experience. Saxo Bank also has a strong research section providing deep market insights and analysis. So, what are the key differences? Swissquote is often better for beginners. It's easy to use and has great educational support. Saxo Bank, on the other hand, is ideal for seasoned traders who need advanced tools and features. When it comes to features, both platforms have a lot to offer. Swissquote has a solid mobile app, making trading on the go easy. Saxo Bank provides more in-depth analysis tools. If you're looking for charts and data, Saxo Bank might be the better choice. In terms of pricing, Swissquote tends to have lower fees for beginners. Saxo Bank may have higher fees, but it provides more advanced options for serious traders. In the end, if you're just starting out, Swissquote is a great choice. If you're an experienced trader looking for advanced tools, Saxo Bank might be the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.